03 F150 5.4. It's got all 4 cats still, no muffler. It's dumped right before the rear axle behind the cab. I don't know if you can see it down there. It's a crappy video. Cell phone, sorry about that. You can't even see it down here. Start it up, do a couple revs just so you can hear it. Set the phone. Sorry about the cat rattle, I'm getting them cut out today, so. Alright, I'm going to set the phone down and then I'm going to cruise past it real quick just so you guys can get an idea. Alrighty, I'll get a video real quick, wide open throttle in the cab just so you can get an idea. All right.